Alright guys, we're testing out this new Sportcam DVR HD action that I bought on Amazon to mount on my motorcycle helmet. So I got all these little pieces, bicycle mounting, etc. and a water case proving. It looks like a pretty good camera. I just wanted to test it out. So you power on over here, 1080p. I'll update you on how I do with it outside. But what I did is I basically mounted the adhesive first on it. It looks pretty solid for now. And what I'm going to do is attach this mounting to this port. And this is basically for people that on a tight budget want something cheap and easy to see. Let me do this real quick and I'll keep you updated. Let's try this. So you gotta put this little hole in here. Just tighten it under the smaller one. It all came with the package. And I'm getting back into motorcycle riding, and I thought it'd be nice to take some videos to see how we're doing. Alright. I'm just gonna snap this right here. Yep. It looks good for now. Yeah. Able to snatch it on, and I'll keep you updated. And basically you can just adjust this up and down. It looks pretty solid for now, but tomorrow I'll take the bike out and I'll let you know. And also I got this helmet on eBay, Virtue helmet. It doesn't look it looks pretty nice too. I've had it for about 6 months now. Comes with the extension, and there's a visor in the middle somewhere here. Just gotta bring it out. Bring this. You don't have to bring this one down. So we'll bring this down, and there's our visor. In case it's like sunny, but I don't really use this visor. All I really want to try out is this new sport action camera. The only bad thing about this is that there is no external microphone you can add to it. It comes with a microphone already built in, but you cannot attach any extension like the GoPros. So that's the only bad thing about it. And it was around $45 on Amazon. So I was like, nothing to lose, and if it flies out of my helmet, then nothing to lose really. But I'll keep you updated tomorrow on how the whole thing goes. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm just testing out the view. I installed the camera on the right side, as the previous video showed. I'm looking up down right now, and I normally sit upright on a motorcycle, and it's not bad, to be honest. I'm 5'6". I'm comfortable. Just adjusting myself. Nice view. Alright, I'll let you know how the helmet withstands tomorrow as I take it outside for a cruising day. And that's my roommate's Ninja Kawasaki 650 2015. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.